Okay, so we are heading down south on Sunday. I don't know when you're watching this video, but
we're going down now.
We're going down now, like right now.
We're already there.
We're already there in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And I know it looks like my shop in Dunnville, Ontario, but we're actually in Bowling Green.
Probably, yeah, we're in Bowling Green.
We're
somewhere
Bowling Green.
near.
Aaron just told us that he's not going to post this video when we're down there. He's going to post it tomorrow, which was actually like 3 days ago. We're going to be in Bowling Green, Kentucky from the 14th to the 23rd. Start it off. We're going to Holley.
We're going
to Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Not just Holley. We're going to Bowling Green, Kentucky. And we're going to wrench on some cars, and we're going to learn how to tune cars with Holley's stuff. I don't know. Rich talk. I just make crack jokes.
So Bowling Green, Kentucky is about 10 hours away from us.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're heading south on Sunday. We have tier 1 and 2 on this coming Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Then we get 4 days off, or 2 days off plus the weekend, and then tier 3 is the following Monday, Tuesday.
We're going to be learned.
We're going to be all learned, and we're going to be, I swear, we're going to be the smartest in the class.
I'm not going in on that.
We've got 4 days to kill also in the middle there, and we'll probably head farther south.
I want to go to Nashville.
Yeah.
Just because
it's Nashville.
It's Nashville. It's fun.
Yeah.
I know some good places to eat because I love to eat.
It doesn't matter. I got strict instructions from his wife to limit his eating. So she's like, please don't let him come back with a heart murmur. Anyway, follow us on Instagram if you haven't, because we'll be bored out of our skull driving. So we'll probably be on our phones a lot. We'll be giving updates as to where we're going to go. We are taking our empty 22-foot trailer with us, and we're going to look for some stuff and take it home again.
Hopefully, yeah. Pick up some stuff and bring it back.
Yeah, so Stefan needs a new cab and a box for his 2000 Dodge Ram. This is Stefan's truck.
This is my beauty.
Yeah, she's a gem.
Yeah.
The engine's got 400,000 on it. Lots of little animals living in here.
Yeah, I live in a nice area.
No real wires to chew. Just a little bit on the VP pump, but we're going to be taking this down to Kentucky. So
we might take it back, too.
Yeah, we're not going to leave it there?
We might bring it back. It might make it back.
We're do a valve set.
Yeah.
Make sure the tires are good. Maybe take a fan belt with us.
So what are you doing? Walk me through this.
I've got a full video on it. Just watch the friggin' video.
You got to be careful when you're ordering rads for your Dodge trucks because of the Cummins. They have a higher rated, like there's different size rads. So you can, the gassers will have a skinnier rad, and you'll be shopping on Amazon or whatever. You're like, oh, this one's really cheap. I'm gonna grab that one. But then you realize it's only rated for like the V6, whereas the Cummins rad is a lot bigger. But it wasn't overheating. I was just losing fluid, right?
It's a good thing you're not a mechanic.
Yeah, good thing I'm not. The top 4 rows of the rad were completely gone. It was just the bars going across, and it was cracked, and the fluid would just stay at that level. But my truck wasn't overheating at all. It was still going, so I didn't really need to replace it, but I did anyway.
So what we're actually going to be doing is taking a 22-foot trailer with us, the empty trailer that we did have the Audi in. Holley gave us lots of stuff for the Audi, but we're actually paying for the schooling ourselves. So what we're planning on doing is just finding some truck parts. We need some boxes, some fenders, some doors, whatever.
I need some parts desperately for this to keep it on the road.
Yeah, so this cab is rotten or rough, and the box is starting to show its age. The front's been replaced, so the fenders are in good shape. So we're looking for a cab for Stefan and a box for Stefan. And then if anybody has 99 and up F-250 boxes or trucks in the area, comment down below or hit us up at debossgarage@gmail.com. Otherwise, we'll buy a bunch of K-frames for calibers, Muranos, Sunfires apparently. All those rot out here, so we can, if we can pick them up at a decent price there, we'll just take them back, and then through Andrew we'll sell them again here and kind of help pay for the trip. If you know of a scrapyard in your area or you got a bunch, let us know. Hit us up on the comment section down below or at debossgarage@gmail.com. We had a couple leads already.
Yeah.
Basically, we're just gonna have some fun for 4 days and then go back to Holley.
That's awesome. Good job, Aaron.
I think you should leave that in. Basically, We got 4 days in between the training. We'll be videotaping and documenting the training a little bit as well.
We might show up at your house.
Yeah.
If you have a Dodge Ram for sale, we might be coming to your house if it's cheap.
If you have a cottage that's vacant and you want a couple of Canucks living in there for a
Yeah.
couple of days, we can do that too.
Yeah.
So if you want to meet up somewhere, I'm sure wherever we're going to be, we'll just say, hey, we're going to this place for supper if you guys want to meet.
Because I like to eat.
Because he likes to eat. Seriously, follow us on Instagram. That's the best way to see where we're going. Send us some pictures of whatever stuff you've got for sale, and we'll go from there. So, should be fun.
It will be fun.
Yeah. Anyway.
If we make it back.
If we
we
make
might
it
just stay down there. Forget it.
No.
It's
no.
warmer.
I've got
A mortgage.
a mortgage.
Perfect reason not to come back.
I've got a family.
They can come
kind of
down.
like, yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
Send away.
hopefully we'll see you in person.
Yeah.
There we go.